So we will start. So in our last class, we had seen so how static method and default method. So that was defining inside the interface. So that was Java 8. So when JDK 9 came to the picture, so JDK 9 onwards, again a new concept so came, that is, it is possible to define a method inside the interface. Another possibility came to the picture. It is possible that we can define a method inside the interface, provided that the method should be a private method. So already previously we have seen static method can define inside the interface. Default method can define inside the interface. So now we will see private method we can define inside the interface. But the point is JDK 9 onwards. So you have to install. So now I will go to an example. Let interface A. Let interface demo. Okay, so let we have a method, get method. Then suppose I have a private method, void show method. I will write system.out.println. I will write Java means Silan Software. Now, currently we wrote it is possible that a private method can define inside the interface. Now I will define a method, default method. Already in Java 8 context, we have studied default method can define inside the interface. So let a method display method. Suppose I will write system.out.println learn Java from Python tpoints.com. This. So here what I did, demo is an interface name. So in demo interface, we have three methods. One is get method, one is show method, and one is display method. So here show method is a private method that I have defined. Display method is a default method that I have defined. Only get method I have not defined, because get method is a normal method, so by default every normal method is public and abstract. Then how we will define get method? So already we have known that concept, so we have to define an implementation class. We will represent an implementation class. Let the class name implements interface name. So here I will define public void get method. So I will define this method. I will write system.out.println. So I can write Java private method inside interface. This. So in this way, all methods that I defined. Get method, show method, and display method. Then I will go to main method. So class let enter office demo. So this is I think fifth or sixth example. The demo 5 public static word main string args. So definitely, so I will take the a class object. So after that, suppose I will write obj dot get method. So when this line will execute, this person will execute. Get method definition will execute. That is Java private method inside interface. If I will write obj dot display method, so when this line will execute, this person will execute. So though display method not available in a class, but display method available in interoffice, demo interoffice. But there is no problem because a class and the interoffice demo so having a relationship because a is the implementation class of demo interface. So happily it will execute. But if I will write obj dot show method, so it will give error. It will give error because show method is a private method. You remember one point, private method is a such method it cannot be accessed, it can't access by outside of the by outside of any class or any interface. Private method scope is within its block. This method, whatever you can do, you can access, you can do anything within this block, within its surrounding. So, show method present within this curly bracket begin, curly bracket end. So, if this method we will manipulate, we will access, we want to do anything. So that we can do within curly bracket begin and curly bracket end. You remember this point, private method can't access by outside of its scope. So what I have to do? So method definition, how it will execute. Then we know that according to the concept, when a method is calling, then method definition is executing. Anyhow, that show method have to call. So here you see display method I have defined. So now in this here in this method definition I will call because within its boundary. So anywhere we have to call this method. So display method, one method I have defined, that means the method having a body. So I thought, so I will call show method here in this way. That means now show method or calling show method, now it will consider as a display method body. Okay, so when this line will execute, when display method will call by the object obj, so obj is the object of a class, then display method definition will execute. So this is the one line, so this message will come, then this line will execute. When this line will execute, then this person will execute in this way because show method is private. So I can give this comment. then bracket I will end. Okay, so I will go to E drive. I will go to, so let it Java projects folder. Suppose my file name is interoffice. Okay, one thing that I will do, I will make a new folder, Java programs. So I will go to that folder, interoffice demo 5.java. I will do all files. I will save. I will go to command prompt, go to A drive, go to Java programs folder, Java C, interoffice demo 5.java, then Java space class name, interoffice demo 5. You see, we got the output. First get method definition have executed, then a display method definition have executed. Display method definition, body is two line, one is output statement, learn Java from Python tpoints.com, and then calling show method. So when show method have called, then show method definition have executed. That's why show method body have executed. Java means Silan Software. So this is the concept of private method definition inside the interface. So it is the concept of Java 9. So when Java 9 came to the picture, so this concept had come. So it is possible that we can define a method inside the interface provided that the method is a private method. So overall, we saw in Java 8 and in Java 9, so three methods: static method, default method, then private method. Three methods. So we can define inside the interface.